Hey guys, this weekend is Erin in the Adirondack multi-vendor sale again. I'm going to be selling with her, and my time slot is at 6. She's going to start selling at 1 Eastern. My time slot is 6 Eastern. Everything I sell will be $1. But she's got a lot of vendors selling with her, so make sure you come early at 1. One of the things I'm going to have is going to be, do you want to build a snowman? So, my lighting is horrible all of a sudden. I don't know exactly what messed up in here. But you're getting a little face bead. You're getting, the body bead with the little buttons on it. And then you're getting a plain one for the bottom. Then you're getting 2 different ribbons, because you're getting 2 snowmen. So there's 2 ribbons here. Then you're getting 2 of the brims for the hat that go on the top of the face one, like so. And then you're getting 2 of the black and white and 2 of the red and black little beads to put up here as a hat. And say if you said you want to do one color and one the other color, you could put 1 here and then put 1 under the feet. Then you're getting enough jute to string through it to make your little tassel. So you can make it like a tassel for the winter journal. You can make them for decorations for a little mini tree or for a big tree. I have made these for years to put on my tree. I can't get any more snowmen on my tree. My tree is a snowman. I have a white tree with a snowman hat on top and a snowman head. So, yeah. I'm going to start off with the box that is all lace, fabrics, trims, things like these little snowman kits. I will have entire books of guest checks for $1. Stationery, 10 papers and 5 envelopes. I got $1.50 on it, but they're going to be $1. I'm going to have, I believe this is, yeah, it's 10 for $1. Time cards. This is $1.50, but it's going to be $1. Everything I'm selling will be $1, just so I can get stuff out of my house now. And I'm going to forewarn you, yes, there has been smoking in my house. And, you know, I've tried my best to air everything out. I've tried to, we have used the smoke ender stuff you get from the fire department, like you buy when you have a fire in your house. I've done my best. But some of the stuff has been packed away in totes for years. And stupid me did not think to open the totes when we're fumigating the house. So the possibility you might get something that still has a smell. Did I go through and wash everything? Absolutely not. Because I'm selling it for $1. Because I have way too much. I don't want to sell on Etsy anymore. I don't want to have to pay them. If I have to wash it and clean it up and, you know, iron it out and get it ready for Etsy, then you never get it for $1. So, check us out Saturday and Sunday on Erins Channel. And we'll see you then. Bye-bye.